homeschooling can just mean that your child is literally at home with you, the primary educator parent, sitting down at the kitchen table or giving the child assignments to do. Whereas our program is an actual classroom. It still gives you a lot of the freedoms that homeschooling gives you. You can miss more than the state allowance for absentee days. You can make your own schedule a lot more. Your child still gets the really important experience of being in a classroom setting with other students, having to learn how to navigate people that they might not get along with that great, or having to learn how to take your turn and wait to speak in a classroom, things you can't really replicate at home. It's also so important, in my opinion, that your child has another voice in their head as an educator, not just you or not just yourself and your spouse, a real diverse group of adults that are teaching their expertise, giving their opinions. So your child really gets the chance to not only learn to deal with other kids, but to hear adults that speak in a different way, have a different tone of voice, have a different mannerism. So you really cannot replicate that experience at home. We feel like what we do is really give you the best of both worlds. You can be with us for maybe 3 days a week, maybe 2 days a week, maybe 4 days a week. But the other times you are at home doing independent work, doing independent study. We have students who are competitive gymnasts, for example. They need to travel a lot. They can only be with us once or twice a week in person, but then they're taking the CKC enrichment work on the road with them. So they're still doing our curriculum, they're still keeping up with the other kids who are in the classroom, but they're getting to focus on those special things that are going on in their lives. It really gives you the chance to have the best of both worlds.